Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making small red beans from scratch because eventually after that I'm going to make refried beans, which eventually I'm going to be using for pupusas or gorditas or tortillas filled with refried beans and cheese. But we have to start with that. So those are 2 cups of red beans, small red beans, that is 453 grams. Remember that the ingredients are in the description box below. So we're going to leave them overnight. That's about 8 to 12 hours. The beans are hydrated, but they are still hard. They're very hard. But you can see the difference. Dry beans on the left and hydrated beans on the right. They more than triple, they more than double or triple their size. We're going to get rid of that water and we're going to boil them, even though we call them in English baked beans. We in Latin America boil the beans. And we're gonna use half an onion and 2 cloves of garlic. I put the toothpick through the onion because it will be easier for me to get it out once the beans are cooked completely. We are also going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. That's about 2 tablespoons. You can put more if you want. And the ratio is 2 cups of beans, 6 cups of water at least. If you see that it's evaporating too much, you can add more water and keep boiling them. The instructions in the package says to boil them for 1 hour, and I had the feeling that that was not going to happen because it didn't seem like that they were coming from the same farm, those beans. So once the foam goes to the top, you remove that, and that is just really easy because the oil moves to the top and it's easy to remove that foam. And those are the impurities, if you will, of the skin from the beans. After 1 hour, we're gonna boil them with a lid halfway open. After an hour, we're gonna squeeze them between our fingers to see if they're done, and they were not done. I mean, you really had to press them, and they were not ready, so I had to cook them for another 20 minutes. I added the salt. That's about a teaspoon and a half of salt, and after that time, they are already done. You remove the onion and the garlic. As you can see, it's going to be really easy. And there you have your basic red beans. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. And thank you for the like. We'll see you in the next video. I'll show you how to make black beans too and refried beans. Bye.